Talk.
Ma.
Keep talking.
No.
Tell me about casualties.
No.
Talk to us.
Take us to your
Mr.
leader.
Mouth!
Not saying shit.
Mr. Mouth!
No.
Mr. Mouth!
You're fired.
From what? I don't have a job, Mr. Mouth. You don't employ me. Mr. Mouth! Get out of the bubble, Mr. Mouth!
Pop the bubble so we
Wah,
can hear you.
wah,
We hear you now. The bubble's gone.
wah.
What was it like in the bubble? Very interesting.
Mr. Mouth!
Oh God.
Mr. Mouth!
Mr. Mouth, what is your favorite band?
Poop.
Do you listen to Poop a lot? You don't have any ears.
All the time.
I should have drawn ears.
I taste when I smell.
You
You
don't
get it?
No, that has nothing to do with your ears.
You kind of look like a potato. A furry potato.
You kind of look like a camera.